Karnom karbing long life kelang ratun doan pinini tum karbing long life team pen nili cameraman registration non nili tum ke do bangke dongkam mokam labang so town arlo jasamed labang so hawar Vaisong stadium pen opposite ladak hidia jai along sid non nili tum labang so bread for life labang so NGO atum long sidolo elapu nili long kang ni ke iritum kaching honai iritum ang jir lo alang li phan ke introduction ta PG da alam the dure che ji athema alang li ke Charlie ahin punon apusar Akai hut pensta me alang li tum ke take care a family lasi pini ni tum karbing long life pen alang li phan chingki che than the prang ni li tum karbia poho pen kar choji phan si choni gila ta ni chuing na ingni lun ta chak lo ni thank you so much for inviting us di alase ani penle litum alang li Akai alamo alang li konasi lo Charlie ma sarpisa bura men apusar tuma men lapen alang litum sibling alang litum korte bangkwan si ke doma athema alang li phan ke ilitum karbing long arat ke chini kenang sot alang li ke penangan nong is tame Indian government pen tame alang li phan ke pipa jir pon lo lapen alang li ke PhD da double kilong do na bang phi lo lapen alang li jasamed alang li tum NGO pen bang ke jasamed amek kave ano kave lapen la drugs ke cho ari soi jang tum han ason rehab center pen chenglok alang litum penang an all India long same alang litum si chapati pilo la se alang li phane litum ke churu chot kali litum kai ke mata ninga klong pen alang li phan ilitum support don nangji athema litum Akai kadu bida chichini lo non aphiong sung ong sonsi che thek long athema rong rup ke drugs polote not only drugs polote hala mu polam chotagali injection polam chotali horta isia drugs lo pen hor ki jun pen nang anari soi jang atum apor pe pen ki thi ke jang pen chenglok ahemari ke chelang le pen chenglok la isi society long hor pen a join pen sami ili tuma khai pan pen nang an hiltum ningkan phokep sami arta chiru jule non ke katukowe pirthe dang long ke anu mane muni tum competitive Akai binak yan wan ke che thi nangi apor binak non ke nang le hem tot lun ben hor ki jun ben apor chi phalang noji apor masigali lo non Akai ke la sila song bong same ani tum alang litum NGO pen same joy pen nang an adim rong rup dam pen chingki je than pen message ke pali pen chenglok alang litum penang an ke ja dolo alang litum ladak pen same ilitum penang an thek dunong lo la se ani pen le litum alang li childhood alamo puthak punon alang li schooling alam puthak punon family background alam puthak chingki ponang ani welcome to our
thank you so much kecheng si ke nitum dak aprang ke dongka pusita puana developed adim kali rongate rong chedap so adim la so puthak anta nilipai let rohila pining aning kan si che voi lang an pen nilipo let long sing terang nilitum aphan kapor hi nangi la pen ke thek tangi aphan pen an chepaduk lo an pen tumpreng a rijab ta la so hud do kait ta do pek an pen ingnar teke jontu jonuaran ta toar nang hat petati an pen pena anakis sung ang bong pen nilipay nilipo tum chipeduk sin nilitum han la dongka ahavar pen akahelo na paporhay dun bor ilo flood sa hud ke nilitum telong ahud nilipaya bang summer vacation ahud nang kang thuma hud nitum telong along sikang ninang nang lapuan floods ka hengno an ke basta la so hud ke arnisi pen batay si vet ke da ke bang pudong ka sung pik nilitum bang please siblings nili ke non ta chevoy juilo nili te bang hinido an pen nilitum kaporhi lapuan na chepadok pen si piniar ni an nilitum lapuan emethang epay po anong ta pethe theklo lapen kiun an pen nilitum karbi ang long lapen karbi a community apan che represent dun bor ipiklo nipu of course let sar ik terang alang li penaan kaporhi ka vepen dakdong ka malom ke goborno terang pusi ke hang so goborno terang alang li kueban genji epak dhutti siki lapo ananta alang li lapo ana chepadok jepini non waisong stadium karja padim ta contribution pi education ahin aning dok big education sop karbi amunit charli long nangi pusi la dongka mukam government school la alang di bang government ke hang penalang di dong kene longle donate lo hajat lo piniar ni nilitum taning arong pik school me olo a structure ta government atum ka bonai pe the olo pe me olo an penaan a students atum dodak kaporhi arleng ke the ke man atum tala so school pensi ke man ponlo nilipaya methang mata inota government Assam government along si kam claim penaanar ni kidinga phan sita family life nilitum ka jotmo hai hui penamat voluntary retirement and death but then she also didn't give up alang li arong rup chelang an pen alang methanga rong rup also maratum akahelo damnang ni deji aphan bordongka school government tumpen application ke tok arong sar pimar tumpen office ke dam pensi piniar ni bordongka school arong angbong si dolo so that amethanga rong aso atum akahelo damnang ni pin pendak ke do pensi kene education ke long yepan nilipo banke of course inod halaso hoda banke inod a PWD contractor and pen maybe the first la so halaso Akai hut ke at least la pudong ka malom ke and pen penaan non pavements tang ho hadak lahai kabonai it's amazing that it's still not hingnone lang it's still intact of course and we are very happy that alangli nilituma family contributions penaan dolo kar biang long aphan and most importantly alangli chevoijo api just recently la Karbi Anglong Youth Festival they acknowledged him for his contribution and pen certificate isita p so we have worked very hard piniar ni nilitum konama kaporhi non chat ke klem sta me chepaduk pensi nilipay nilipo kachepaduk pensi nilitum talapuan ke lelo so my desire is nili rong bithe bithai tum akarbi ariso ejang ta we will always encourage that nangle tum give up free and pen always ko an makiun chepadokra nang methang a life ka cheseteli aphan nang methang akai aphan anong kewanji aphan la lekai ke tanang chepadu te pumat nilitumate NGO hin pending arong pikpo and
hello nangli award kanong alamo than sa karbing long life kelang ra ton tan
award ke nili puan mention o intungte because kam ke me aphan nong ke long ke it is what is priceless is being able to give to the community. Sita, however, nili Karbi Anglong Pan in 2005, Karbi Dimasa clash nilitum IHA hin pendak Karbi Anglong Wangsi nilitum peace building, medical rehabilitation and relief claim law la sohod ake hai Biren Singh Ingti, MP, he was the MP then, and pen nili friends atum ta Dakar biang long nang cherap tun pick la the current EM of education, Richard Tok bita lang li penaan ajakong penang cherap tun lo, physically coordinating, helping us, and pen some kiripo lang ne po, and many others. Reverend Anderson Tokbi Tadola Sohut, and we were able to do a whole lot in partnership with our friends in Karbi Anglong at that time. Ha charchim anta nilitum hadagdam si Don Bosco a school along ke doa dim ka si father atum nilitum han classroom along bench ke join si make nanga pejang as a team, and we slept there, and we ate there. Father was very kind, and nilitum almost more than 6 months la so hot from October till about 2005 October till about March 2006 nilitum Karbi havar atok adimalong tadamsi la so hot medical rehabilitation and relief claim law, and pen relief distribution tapi la so hot pule phukok kombol kenang ye bostu an nilitum kene distribute lo. So upon penaana ningkana pi 2017.
After 2005.
Yes, after 2005, 2017, Banaras University pen two professors, a male and a female, they nominated me, and I was awarded the Sahas Award for peace building, and also for relief and rehabilitation and mental health support. So labang ke nili Karbi Anglong pan ke klem Akai yemetang Akai pan ke klem kacherap apotsi Karbi Anglong pen long le dedlo, but nong e bang ke na hok pen le long sitame. It is for our people, and together we can rejoice as a community, as an individual. So lai silo anong e and pen penaan do COVID ahuta nilitum penaan akam claim lo, and pen la sohod bangke Holy Family Hospital along si nilitum kacherap don, and pen right from 2019 November to 2021 October nilitum hospital alosi medical help related, vaccine related awareness ta pilo, and penaana mental health counseling ta pipiklo so ahot in working with the government and working for the nation, of course, putting nation first. And ke non recently bangke ako EHA pen nilitum cherap si partnership Manipura long ta penaan cherap lo both problems issues topic which is still burning, and pen hadake nilitum 2023 August pen si kacherap dun till March 2024. And ke nona bangke nilitum abangke we are focusing seriously on Karbi Anglong rural area si basic focus pipot ma kiduk ke boy lapen disability dopik, and facilities is limited for disabled persons. So we are running a program called Food with a Message program. Anek ke alangli Karbi penang translate pidate Food with a Message program.
La bangsu program bangke alang litum nona sonson akeng ari kongkak kengkok amekawi alang litum long pu beta enam chot kalilo alang litum long dam si lai pipa jir same alang litum long si chingki che than ben si nang litum inwet kali pirthe ke nilitum do mathari pula bangso aning ke pathe dam ka chingki che than dam alang tuma pirthe long kengkam che jordun si labangso program ke deng labangso message si alang litum non deng pon bom lo lapen nang lila PhD ko pib abang si PhD la double PhD puthak sabo
Nili clinical psychology along si ka major, and pen
nilitum Karbi pen ke koson lo thanji
clinical psychology pen ke mental health mental health issues kenelo. First, I think Karbi Anglong so ahut mental health na thula puan focus avelang amad so hin nili paya bang nangjur picture MBBS ke dopik lo apot la mental health psychiatrist ta doi seta psychology as a subject important o ke nilitu mabang ke NGO 1967 pen ke start an ke rong bitha dam lo te depression tang ho domestic violence la hai do o la so ka counter ye phan mane in a positive way la tuma phan aning ka pe the ye phan sar ke nang ke non kaning je son aning pe the ye phan to give them hope and depression anxiety la hai pen ka pe jok unji phan nearly clinical psychology porhi lo and pen non it's becoming very mane useful piklo very important non wrong ke dama ling tamune tatum nang chingki dak nang chethan dak aning isido because psychology in as a subject teaches you communication mane skills do lam kaning je that kali but skills techniques so la high pensi penaan itum as an NGO as an individual as a counselor or a psychologist we have been able to reach out non bang nang kethan je puke drug saputhak nili aprang taning je lo ako penaan rata tumphan pachini lo je tum karbi arong supi along and pen khali town areas a disease kali lake ha inglong pithe atok alonganta le etlo and pen phere me melo and pen drugs ke chodat kali tablets that le kali non ke ituma riso ejang and pen penaan ar kene adult ariso maratum injection ta enlo so because of this HIV AIDS ta spread bomb lo and pen ilitum bangke non anta awareness lack bomb lang so awareness kape doi phan media hin pen akerap ke long asonte ningarong pari ha inglong atok pithe bitha ala pen government pen ta partnership to asonte media tum pen la haya dim ke le ye phan a program kapet he ji phan methang akai phan kape joki phan la itum a partnership or association ason claim asonte me pari la anta kali nilitum sestha puke asamis lo bonsita nito kabor ipon dolo NGO hin pen and pen penaan riso ejang phan ke nilitum free of cost rehabilitation long refer lo karbiang long along ke nili bhul that sita menang dia that non rehabilitation pen detoxification nili centers ke theklong lelang and pen a program ta nili theklong lelang so dolo ne avelo ne nili chini ne bonsita nang dia that non do ante you can correct me if I'm wrong but at the moment nili theklong de so therefore ilituma khai arisomar okarjang sarpimar sarbura drugs that kali horki jun kani kecho latum phanta nili Nagaland Guwahati lahaya son a rehabilitation center along si ka refer lo an pan alang litum ta ilitum akai phananga chinghon pen free of cost sikalana an pen pene ke dorde phophe do pulote nang chethan a center satum nilitum ta ko anma ki un NGO hin pen and pen of course family ki cholong ki jun long atum la son chiso donation chi pp amat lahai theklong etapi nilitum bang mathalo awareness abang kom o amat so a module sinilitum ke startek amat so a module la long nilitum ke toke araki hormu kecho hengno
lasi alang litum bread for life di labang so NGO pen alang litum stame kusonsi rong rup dam pen pusar pisar tumphan risoi janga tumphan di than ke pachini Klirdap pen ke pachini isi module alang litum selam pon lo kitab same alang litum selam pon lo laso kitab along araki hormu kecho heno kopisi ke heno penangana tumke chulo te heno puchot jimati ade horju no te araki do po araki kopi hormu pen kopi pisi la so side effect doma la pen long terms enlo polote family phan kopi sia ke sung do jima society phan kopi sia ke sung do jima ang ton pen karju pen ke thak mate da question answer sita mendolo alang litum research pa mesi alang litum NGO ahin pen la so kitab alang litum non selam pon lo la so kitab bang ke litum rong rob jong si pache thang lo pote ale do pigji pusini tum same matha pon lo la ke litum Dr. Seema Klirdap Terangpi alang li si la bang so kitab sita me kabor ipon alang litum si selam pon lo sila so kitab pothak Klirdap pen karbing long life ke lang ratum pachini jiban chuning ri lo ni
la kitab amen ke arakia hormu kecho heno pusi nilitum amen kibi an pen kacharli a osomar la pen api apo ahem phang aphan kacharli ang dek ke basic a module pinak an pen ladak wrong asoratumanta ke lang pen bujiji la so first chapter ke nilitum introduction pilo Karbi Anglong alam Karbi Anglong ko son si amen kachelong ma aprang Mikir Hills Arleng puilitum aphan halaso dakpen ko son si ilitum Karbi Anglong keman ma la so brief history do dak and pen story ke nilitum rikang pu ene animation ma isi comic name si kibilo Karbiao so adolescent child 11 to 18 years la so ang bong a children atum amen rikang po amat rikang a family ke duk pik ha kheti lahai si ke klem an pen rikang abang slowly school ke dunlo sita a behavior bang hengno bomlo pulaso na tumo sinilitum ke tokpon laso NGO long laso a module long and pen through the NGO also we have written this book so that community people are lenga rural aratatum and pen a rural areas along kedo amuneratum an laso story pen ka relate unji pansi nilitum story format than pon lo and pen la antakali ang in some of the pages nilitum drugs pen koson si kapang thegi ma drugs kecho kani kecho holki jonpu la haita nilitum a pictures hai hu dak peklang pon lo module la long and pen nilitum la so module print ji and pen la so module ko anmaki unilitum da so module wrong atok pithe bithata ka circulate ji phansining ke hang and pen tuning rilo che Karbi Anglong life that kali other media houses also will cooperate with us and pen government of course number 1 law we look forward to your assistance bipon manangli tumalong resources tado both financial and also in other resources travel non-jat ahin pensita menang lito me equip pick the government and I look up to the government for support and I'm also willing to support the government in whatever way I can to help our people because together we can. I cannot survive as an NGO or even the media house cannot survive on their own. We are all interdependent. So we believe the government will support the media, the NGO to do this good work of sharing a very basic module, giving awareness to our rural people in Karbi Anglong. Ning tepik jeb at least by next year, munit ito makarbia rat rong along non, town along non, kaporhi ke donon, kavenon, la soa kitap, ke langpen, chini jije, PPR type of drugs doma, kosonsona types amu amokado, injection amokado, and pen powder a type ta do like a khali information base so that parents api apotum asomaratum la sona behavior korilo pulote kalite a pocket pen la bostu long lo pulote kapang theki aphan and pen asomaratum phan puthot ma amethanga ronga o somaratum phan puthot ko son si ke rap theki ma la so aphan sin bread for life trust la so araki ar hormu kecho heno pua module bonai lo and pen ning thelo che nang litum la so a module nilitum a NGO bang pen sitame lite pualang litum karbiang long life pen nilitum peklang pontame as a presentation or whichever way alang litum ta social work claim o pusipu karbiang long life so we are hoping alang litum la so a bostu la so akam keme la anso se pang dakchi la pen nang chirap tunji pusi ning thelo in of course keeping the government in mind who are very busy who are doing a lot for the society and pen wrong rupa phanta pen unclaim law but we hope together with you we can do bigger things and better things and last ke la so a page along interestingly nilitum we start with pre-test questions wrong kedam sinilitum arjuju question je drug saputha ko an lokachini drug salam ko an lokachini pu nilitum lason questionnaire ta bonai pre-test questionnaire pu lason an ke dak baro questions do an pen lahai arju po parents atum nang thak po school students atum nang thak po an pen nang than po je chini ne ma lason an pen copy ma ka chini kang tung last la so module so peklang det tapi students aphanon community along nilitum dampen meeting hai hui dolo pulote workers atum pen an ke la so training module sop than et tapi nilitum la post test questionnaire putado la daksi last page along sido post test questionnaire la dake ko an si kachar lima ko ana knowledge malaso ke ne pen ke long a module pen ke long la so ke ne ta nilitum an knowledge tado an pen koson si la so an module in future upgrade nangima puta la so post test questionnaire pen si nilitum kabuji so therefore la so abos akam ke ongoing and pen la dake nilitum koson si drugs and HIV AIDS ke long ma lahai tapeklang araki la pen HIV AIDS pu lason la dak isia chapter do araki a hormu ke chopen koson si HIV AIDS ke long ma multiple partners unprotected sex pen exchange of unsterilized needle and syringe from one person to another lason tapeklang an pen rong atok long ke hospital an ke ledam ke der o lasi nilitum overdose cheplang lo pulote management of overdose in the village hospital ledam de ako ma doctor nang ke lele ako koson si claim nang ima puta anta nilitum la so module long than pon lo an pen pachini pon lo koson a position along si PE nang ima koson si claim nang ima la dak tolo and pen of course 108 ke it's a government all over a number lo call nangi ambulance aphan and pen doctor doante immediately doctor phan phone lo non kalite rong asor mane phan toisi doctor phan pehang nangi in case of overdose si overdose nang wrong along risomar kalite o karjang atom overdose a problem dolo pulote la amek aso bang dilated pupils dilated hala arlo podaki ikapot ekdom bihek ati chip bihek po dak ang hopen ang pip supo lason a whole nitum explanation pilo in very simple language so that everybody can understand, the educated, the uneducated, and pen everywhere nangli module la long lang lo pulote, it is all pictorial, it's all pictorial, pictures kapek lang si nilitum a message kapele, so that kaporhi theka tum ke porhi po ke thek the tume a picture ke lang pente akam Charlie po kalite chepachok po in the need. English a proverb that necessity is the mother of all invention. And penaan arong atok along ke lahaya facility a vedata tech medical facility and pen doctor ta ke do hello sitame, so therefore necessity is the mother of all invention. So module will help you to at least make nang metanga arong au somar sitame nang metanga hemau somar pan sitame ma nang metang kachini ke theki a pan sitame, it will help you, so and you can be of help not only to yourself but also to others. And the media, of course, today I'm very grateful. Thank you for covering us and our module, and we are grateful that you have come here to see us.
non head lain tum karving long life pen sami paklang pon lo overdose sa joine pen banghini ari sotum apran sta medam pu bukajan apart anat bon iltum pulam bolong komaji nata lapuson dolo overdose pen edi angela pen mem nang athanson 108 wang tong te ke hem lahai ko sonsi langdu nei ma chini dunde pong ke la sonsi apran sta medam nang saning duglo pen ilitum joy pen difurong supito ke pom mat alu toke jum put on pin lo college school long pen cheng lok to market kisiman area ke dam taune lo la an pun lo jum put lo lase laso hamu ke ilitum police atum that lo charlie song atum that le kelang dun nang ilitum wrong society ilitum hamas ilitum wrong groups tami ilitum thek muchor atum labang so concern labang so message abang ke kai ke mata chirok tok nang ji pen not only NGO pen mem da nang than lo NGO tum that le claim nang li iltum wrong group anutin ke thek area tum anutin buji muchor tum la so hamu bang ke ilitum chesong ra pen lo nang la pen penang na dem ilitum puduna he tum sido wrong tang nak por isumara tum edi epane theng der nang pupo sami ilitum unitedly di arjablo pulu de PC claim one der po la se mem pen chingki je than long ponil tum karving long life pen sami alang lipana kero pipar jiro ala athema alang lipan ni tum appointment ke NG phanda sung pigan lo athema alang li ke busy pick di alang li labang so NGO pen NGO chotkali alang li ka arnamalama kam punon alang li ga angtan si damnang pick la pen alang li ga puparlam li karving long ke non het si mu pen alang li sameng je than lo alang li karving long ke bang ke just met karbiara tatum sistame labang so bed for life labang so hin pen labang so NGO pen rap te kang nang ji mate labang so hamu ilitum chingki che than pen ilitum kaddo go united li claim pon labang so claim pon nang ji pak alang le ke mang si non mat ke alang li same non lom wrong same do wer lo la pen alang li ke non pini pen aput ko alang li ke international ha geneva same dampo alang li ke lai same represent do nang ji athema alang li tum NGO pen pute alang li si kai ke mata ka bor I de ala se ilitum karving long life pes tame alang litum labang so NGO labang so mesen project long ilitum tame kai ki mata cherap chitu don verji as mem ki jutsi nanghin pen pilo women empowerment ilitum karbi pi tum phanta di ilitum karbi pi tum phanta penangan society long di ke cholang rem alam ki punon di family kai ke mata lason kai ke mata di swalo tum ke iltum karbi pi tum penangan laso kisun non chethek long lo polote women empowerment na hin pen message strong message pilo pi
Lili hin pen strong message ke nang di sub a tribal state sa long lang damlo pulote Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal lahaya state sa long lang damlo pulote alang litum dak apin so marnon ma asar marnon amethang Akai arlo sonon asar pi mara non man ijot pio nili ning duk pik nili news por hilo pulote an pen moneta tom nili phanang than lo pulote a Karbi man has raped a Karbi girl nili laan sinang li tumapan nang arju po ma I will only ask this question if you have no respect nang li tum aso ang jirapan man hon man pitek the an pen nang li tum asoing jirapan cherai thek the kelang rem pulote is asking a state valid nang methang arong rup nang methang adim sapha phelo pulote state ke van pen kopia lelo ke dopo this is a question I ask each one of us as a Karbi I ask myself this question will bringing a state make any difference will any other things that we do make a difference and most importantly itum Karbi our women doan avean east west wherever we are doing very well for ourselves and we should continue to be strong and pen la anso say we should contribute nangi itum Karbi Akai itum Karbi yang long apan and pen it's a patriarchy society nang accept say that is a different thing but as women Karbi women we must continue to go on but nang methang asoing jirpan kelang rem kelang chem is not accepted a no is a no and a rape is not only a rape by of force but rape also happens in marriage if you don't respect your wives in the home if you beat up the women in your home remember that your children will also learn that and carry on so we need to make a change in our own lives personally before we look at bigger things which I'm sure each one of you understand what I mean nang methang asoing jirapan man hon mana chipi yapan I repeat again bor inon an pen ko an makiun kache raiji la pen ko an makiun alang nang methang Karbi soing jiratumpan isi level along nang litum ko son ma kiding kethe an pen nang methang anong chepado similarly try to raise your own women try to make them reach a platform where they can also be seen where they can also be heard la ansi nili as a women Karbi women or as a citizen of this district would like to request and if I have hurt anybody in any way I ask for your forgiveness thank you
ahoglo ani Klirdap pen alang li aning klong alam na chethan lo ilitum parents body ilitum Akai long parents body pude malo pulo ilitum lang namelo te ilituma asong jirtum lo athema ilitum asong jir non alang litum ke pinding sumpot pulo te pinipe kok ke alang litum ani wang daily life along se chi pindeng lo pulo ilitum Akai ke identity ke ilitum sorlo lo Karbi sorlo idum pinso dum mangke non ronga ji usil dum ke choi hong thor pin pusame chi pindeng lo pen non ipu program li Meghalaya Mizoram punonte alang litum ke sorlo tum phan aman peng chi pipi ke pose alang litum ke grow up pet lo ilitum ke dak ke kachipin rem kaita social media long kaita negative comments pencheng lok opinion alam ki lo pote ke pa viral dun pencheng lok la suppose ilitum society ke non anta ningkan phokep aphichi rui joilo ilitum jong sil tuma Akai ching thurji polote ilitum I suang jir pen ilitum man chipi pon veng nang ji alang tum mensil tum grow pon rapet nang ji claim pon rapet nam da rapet nang ji asiani alang li note intellectual ke thekere minong abang phi pen alang li aninga klong pen si alang li labang so na observe dun pa me ilitum Akai ko na se direction si dam bomma ko pia ki song sil tuma Akai non anda ching thur thira la so lam nga lang litum kamun thi besi nang ning ji dun lo ke chok che ke bang ke ilitum la dak lo la se ilitum asong ji tum han ilitum man peng chi pilo na pen ilitum han ni phansa me ilitum an so se alang li non ka prek country Geneva sa me alang li ke damik pol se alang li phansa me ilitum hi me piduno na an so te tum khe phan nong me ke ban pi the pot alang li tum hem tu ni se phan an so se rana ma hi me padolo nang tang thank you so much for talking to us ma'am te ilitum kar beng long life ratuman kardom chipira abang so jai beng ton poring na kardom